Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing an interesting product. So it's the AboveTEK suction cup aluminum tablet phone mount. So it is a mount for your tablet or your phone. And what I'm curious is to see is it will fit smaller tablets. So I have this little Fire tablet here, and I also have my old school iPhone to see if it will actually fit both of those. The mouth of the thing seems a little bit large, and I thought, well, if this for newer iPads maybe, but what about some of these older devices as well? So let's actually take this thing out of the box and take a look. The box itself is well done. They did a good job with the marketing, fairly well written. So they do have an adapter if you want to mount a DSLR camera on there, if you're a creator like myself. I think the main benefit of this is if you have an iPad and or a phone and you want to mount it to your car dash or what have you for driving directions, if maybe you're an Uber driver or Lyft driver and so forth, I think this would be ideal. I picked this one up over on the TikTok shop, but you can also pick it up on Amazon. I think the price difference is actually crazy because they have some crazy coupons right now going on. TikTok shop is trying to promote their shop basically in competition with Amazon. So the box itself seems very straightforward, as I had said. And so there's a little note here, yellow sticky. If any joints of the arm are a little loose, please use the Allen key included. So here, there it is right there. Oop, there it is. So there's the Allen key, and it looks like some documentation as well. I guess we should take this out of here for sake of completeness, eh? And it looks like we have some directions. So typical Allen key little tool that they provide there, which is nice. I got this for, it was super cheap. And I'm commuting back to work and I thought, okay, if I can actually use this to mount my iPhone in my car, ideal. And if I can also use it to potentially actually mount my tablet so that I can use that as I create some of these videos and so forth. So, okay, documentation looks very straightforward. Tells you how to do the adjustment with the wrench if necessary. Something tells me this is not going to be necessary. So I think we'll just pull this out of the box and see what we got. So here is the mount itself, and it looks like there is the mouth of the thing. And as I had said, obviously, that phone's not going to fit there. That's my old school iPhone. I'm actually using my iPhone 15 to film this video. So the arm is here, and it does. So it's tight. So which is a good thing, presumably, because you don't want your devices jumping all over the place. But I could see where they would say that if it's a little loose or tight, you can actually use the Allen wrench to adjust it there. But this is just fine. So it's tight, but not impossible to move, so that's cool. And then here we have unlock and open. So do I dare do that? I guess I do. So let's just try it open this way. That opens it up all the way. Oh, interesting. So that's if you want to. The other cool thing about this is, my understanding is that they provide a, so I'm gonna just put that right back where it was. My understanding is they provide actually an additional suction cup. Sometimes the suction tends to wear out over time. And so so before I get to that real quick, so that's what the suction cup looks like. I'm not going to peel this off because I want it to be super sticky when I apply it to my dash. But I think the idea is for your phone, you would do it this way, right? Just see, let's prove that out here. And that actually fits nice, and it's nice and tight and firm. So very cool. So that phone's not going anywhere. And then the stand itself is not plastic. It's definitely aluminum, and it feels very solid. So I would say with very high degree of confidence that this is, if the suction cup sticks nicely on the dash, this is actually going to be an excellent mount for my purposes. And you could also obviously rotate it that way for your directions and so forth. So pretty cool. So I'm excited about that. Now, let's just see if, so this is probably the size of an iPad mini, this guy. And I was curious as to if it would fit this way. And let's just see. And indeed it does, it fits perfectly. And it's also, again, the grip is excellent. This is just a little Fire tablet, which is probably about the size of an iPad mini. And your larger iPads, yeah, plenty of room. There's plenty of room. I would say not if you picked up one of those portable monitors. I don't think, because it's 15.6 inches across, I don't think you're going to have enough to actually cover that. But for purposes of an iPad mini, pretty much any size smartphone is actually going to fit in here just fine. Oh, you want to make sure you don't jam your little fingers in there and hurt yourself. And I skipped over the other pieces in the box here, but from what I know, so there's the camera holder. I won't belabor that. And there's directions in the box that if you want to remove this attachment and attach your camera, Presumably it goes there, but I really don't know, so I don't want to mess with that lock there. And then there's also oh, this is to loosen and tighten. Oh, isn't that nice? So this is to loosen and tighten yeah, now it's not going anywhere. To tighten the mount itself, which is cool. And as I started to say earlier, so this guy here is an additional suction cup, I believe. Yep, indeed. So there it is. So if you want to replace it, as I said, use this lock and open deal to replace the suction cup. So as it starts to wear out over time and you get annoyed with it, maybe it's falling off your dash or whatever, I don't know, you can just replace the suction cup, which is very cool, particularly for the amount of money I spent on this thing. This seems like a great buy. So I'll actually leave a link in the description. So on TikTok, I'll leave it over to my TikTok shop or YouTube. I'll leave a link over to Amazon. And there are affiliate links if you use them. I appreciate it. Goes to support the channel. And I hope you get a good deal on this and you enjoy it as much as I hope you enjoy it, because it seems to be a great value for what it is. And I'm not saying that to sell you anything. This is not an expensive product, so it's not going to make me rich. But I hope this video helped you. If it did, if you wouldn't just mind giving me a quick like, I'd appreciate it. And please consider subscribing to the channel. And or my TikTok account, I do all sorts of videos about tech. And so that's it for the AboveTEK aluminum suction mount for tablets and phones. And hope this video helped you, and hope to see you in the next one. Cheers. Appreciate you.